Alright, I'm out here at Sand Mountain number 1, at the Sand Mountain number 1 crossing in Albertville. Got a small update here on the bellless cantilever. It appears that CSX has, oh not CSX, I mean the ATN has replaced one of the side lights on this signal with a, let's see if I can't focus that properly. It appears I don't know how well it's focused, but as you can see, the left light there has been replaced, and it's now a reused safe turn 12 by 24 inch incandescent light. I'll show you the back real fast. All the other lights on the cantilever here are Harman, as you can probably tell. Let's see here. Will I be able to focus? Yes. So yeah, nothing else here has changed as far as I can tell. So just gonna wait on them over there at Main Street because I want to get the new bell there shot. So yeah, just thought I'd show this quick change here in Albertville. Over and out.